Bro, that's the roulette wheel in Vegas. If you put $1 on Black 17, you win $35. Now, they got tables out there, though. This is how the game go. They got tables in Vegas where the minimum you can put out is $100 chip. So now you got to put $100 out there because it's a $100 minimum. So you put your $100 chip, or you can put you can put $25 chips out there. You can do it how you want to, but the dealer will make sure it's a $100 spread on that table. But if you put that 100 on one chip, you make $3,500. Now, when it don't land in Black 17, they rakes that. Yep. But Vegas is full of people, man. See, why is Vegas full of people, and yet the investment world ain't full of people? Mm-hmm. Because, see, Vegas done fooled them, man.